Good morning, children. So, today, whenever we get up early at the morning, so what you all going to do? So, everyone do like morning walk, exercise, or yoga, or they practice their singing, meditation. So, everyone thinks or everyone do this. So, many of us, what do? We do just getting up, started our life with a boredom, feeling nothing, just sitting on the sofa, watching TV, nothing doing, right? No, these are all the notions. But as a human beings, we must start our life with or our day with the enthusiasm. So, what to do to get that enthusiasm? We must walk around. We must see what are the things that are happening at our surroundings. So, for that, the best thing we can do is the morning walk, right? Morning walk. So, this morning walk will going to make our day very pleasant, and even it keeps our health very strong. Today we will going to study your first lesson, healthy life, the first unit. Healthy life. So, in your textbooks, before you read is there, right? So, step 1, the teacher reads the outline relating to a morning walk. So, they have given a cloud. So, morning walk they have given like this, and they have given mention some of the things. So like this, they have continued the things over there. The first thing what we do is wake up early and walk. So we have to get up very early at the morning and we have to go for the walk. Morning dew, freshness in the air. What is the meaning of dew? Dew means that moistness, that wetness we can feel at the early morning. So we can imagine dew. Dew means the moist. So that moist we can feel at the early in the morning. Beside a river, calm and cool. So no sounds of vehicles or there is no disturbance in the nature, so we can go to a walk very calm. Calm means silently. Farmers working, birds chirping. So some of the farmers will going to do their work in the field because some of the crops that must be yield in the morning itself. So they go to the fields early in the morning and they work early in the morning. So that atmosphere or that picture, the farmers working, you are walking around a river or beside the river, the calm nature, birds are going to chirp, the sounds of the birds, they started to chirp. All these things make your heart or as well as your mind very fresh. People doing exercise. So nowadays you can just imagine many of them take care of their health and they give much important for the health. Come back at sunrise, keep healthy this way. So we must do this every morning. The step 2 is there. Look at the pictures and outline. With the teacher's help, prepare a passage and write it. You can start the paragraph like this. So you can just write a paragraph, and they have given already the lines over there how to start a paragraph. See, I get up early in the morning, my friend Richard meets me, we go out for a walk. So he started how the morning starts to him, or what the work, or how he goes with his friends. Like that you can write off your own. Okay. The next is, come to the lesson, Healthy Life by Pedro Pablo Scarcastal. So here the Pedro is going to explain the importance of health. So we all know health is wealth, and we can imagine some of the proverbs which gives or which maintains the essentialities of our health. So you just think of the illustrations that if something is lost, nothing is lost. If wealth is lost, something is lost. If health is lost, everything is lost. These are the words or the quotes give us to keep our health very happy, right? So let's go through the lesson today. Healthy Life, Pedro Pablo. Many years ago, everyone was strong and healthy. They ate varieties of food and loved fruits and vegetables. So many years ago means long ago or ancient time. So in that time, what the people going to do? The people were eating fresh fruits and vegetables. And even today, you could, whenever you visit to a doctor, they said that, will you going to eat fruits or vegetables? Are you eating? They ask you, right? So because the health that we can get from fruits and vegetables, we will not going to get that from your junk foods, right? So everyone eats that pani puri, gobi manchuri, pizza. We feel very much thrilled to eat these junk foods, but the thing is, they are not going to give a good health for you. They took daily exercise and enjoyed walking, running, playing and leaping about. So those people or ancient people, what they do? They do exercise daily, they run, they play. All these things or all these activities given a much better and immunity for them. The earth was the healthiest place you could imagine, and it was clear that both adults and children were full of joy and were in good moods. So here what happens? Both the adults and children. Adults means the one who has grown up, mature one. So the adults as well as children were very much happy and they enjoyed. They were very much enjoyed their life. They were healthy. They were full of joy and were in good moods. So they never feel doing any work with a laziness, right? If a teachers ask you to do something, or if your parents ask you to do something, you feel, why should I do? You feel laziness or boredom in that aspects. Whenever you your favorite things will come to you, you feel very much enjoyable, right? If it comes about sports, if it comes about your singing and dancing, if it comes about chit chat, you feel very much joyful and you enjoy it. But the thing is, Is it applicable in everyday life? All the sections or all your periods will be sports only? No, right? You must be that much enthusiastic towards all the aspects of your daily life. All this, we will go to the next paragraph now. Second one. All this made one of the witches furious. She suggested that all the witches should come together to prepare a potion. One who drinks it would lose the desire to live. So that night all the witches gathered in the forest. So here witches means what? The evil aspect or evil soul. Okay. So that witches think of all the humans are so much happy. They don't have any diseases. They are living with a joy and having a good moods. They are participating in everything with enthusiasm. How could be this? So I could not tolerate this. The witches started in a evil thought or a evil spirit that we will going to make a group of witches. All of us come together and we will prepare a potion. Potion means it is like a drink. Okay, potion means it is a liquid drink. Okay, they thought about that and they all come together and they wanted to prepare a potion. If anyone could drink that potion, they will leave the desire of living. Desire means likeness. So they will leave that liking of living the life. So all the witches gathered at the forest at that night. They all needed to put all their energy to make the potion, which would have a powerful spell on people. So here what happens? This potion will going to expel the life of the human beings. It will going to spoil the life of a good human being. During the collection of energy, one of the witches made a mistake in uttering the words. As a result, there was a big explosion. It was so big that it completely destroyed the forest. See, all the witches gathered and they started to utter some of the words. Utter means telling. Okay, utter means telling. They started to tell some of the words. With that energy, the potion will going to become very much strong enough. So all started to utter some of the words, but the thing, witches made a mistake in uttering the word, so that as a result a explosion happened. Explosion, a big sprout when you make your crackers, or whenever you burn the crackers, big crackers, the explosion happens. That much of big explosion happened in the forest. It was so big that it completely destroyed the forest. So the explosion was very much big, which affected in the destruction of the forest. Come to the third paragraph. As a result, it turned all the witches into tiny creatures like germs. They were trapped in liquid in a small bottle which was lying in a swamp. One day, a little boy found this bottle. Thinking it contained a nice new drink, he swallowed it fully. See here, after that big explosion, the witches who were gathered in the forest to prepare that potion, they all converted into a very small, tiny means small creatures like germs. So you all imagine germs like the, so very small enough. So like this they are going to happen. So you can imagine that germs all came together and in they were trapped in liquid in a small bottle. So all they come together and they went to a bottle which was the potion prepared by the witches, filled up in that bottle, and it was left on a swamp. Swamp means an area of soft wetland, like we can imagine as the area around river or beside the river. We can imagine that type of land where the bottle was found to a little boy who swallowed it completely, drink. So that boy completely drink that potion. Though the germ-like witches took advantage of this situation, though they could not physically harm anyone, they learned to change the boy's likes and dislikes. So when a boy swallowed that, the germs or the witches, they started to take the advantage. They wanted to make this situation in favor of them, and they started to change the likes and the dislikes of the boy. So until that, the boy was having his morning walk, running, playing and eating fresh fruits and vegetables. After that, his likes and dislikes are going to be changed. In a few days, a funny feeling started in the boy's mouth. He no longer wanted to eat vegetables, fruits and good food. All he wanted to do was to ask for pizza, burger and wait for them at home. See. So until that, the boy was very much happy with fruits and vegetables and the healthy food whatever he was eating. But the thing, after swallowing, after drinking that potion, he started to change his likes. So he wanted to ask for pizza and burger, and after ordering, he started to wait at home. Okay, when the pizza is going to come, I ordered before a half an hour, where that is. So he started to wait for that junk foods at home. He wasted his time waiting for food from hotels or restaurants and watching television, eating ice cream and chips. So we all do these things in our vacations especially, right? So we also order foods from the hotels and restaurants, and we wait for the person to come and give that, and we eat ice creams, chips, and we waste all the whole day by watching television. Is this the way to be healthy? Yes, occasionally ice creams are good, occasionally all the aspects whatever these boys started to eat are good. But the thing, the daily routine or the food we must take in our daily life should not be these foods. These foods should be taken at occasional time. After few months, once a few months, that is fine, but not regularly. Fourth paragraph. No longer did he enjoy fruits and vegetables. He did not feel like walking, running and playing with his friends. Eventually, he stopped going out of the house and was sitting or lying about. He started feeling ill. So he stopped everything, playing, running, going with his friends. So he just wanted to sit at home or lying. Lying means just sleeping around. He started feeling ill. So whenever you just eat and sleep or just watch TV, what will going to happen? Your body will not support, because the things whatever you have eaten should get digested. So for that digestion, you must work without doing any work, if you sit quiet, if you just watch TV and eating that much of junk foods will obviously affect upon our health. So the boy fell ill. Ill means not feeling good. Before long, he had no desire to do anything. The evil potion had worked. And the worst thing of all was that the witches had learned to jump from one person to another like virus. They managed to turn the effect of the potion into one of the worst diseases, the disease of wasting life. So, the potion in which the witches thought to destroy the human life started to work. So, that potion started its effects upon the boys and his life, and the bad thing what happens is they started to jump from one person to another. So now all of you are facing the same consequences now. So we are all facing COVID-19, so which will going to transmit from one person to another and having to make a human's life end, right? So the virus is having that descent. Like that only here what happens is the witches what they prepared the potion started to work like that, and all the humans started to do like what the boy was started to done. Fifth paragraph. It was a long while before, with the help of his microphone, Dr. Fit and Healthy discovered that the little witches were causing this disease. So here who comes is Dr. Fit and Healthy. Fit means to get our health into a particular fitness. The doctor name is Fit and Healthy, which symbolizes the doctor helped the human beings to come back again to their fitness. Like that, here this Dr. Fit and Healthy discovered through his microscope. Microscope means the equipment, the scientific equipment where we can come to know about the small germs and their actions. So here this Dr. Fit and Healthy understand that these small germs are causing diseases to the human life. The doctor found out that the witches could not tolerate joy and good health. It turned out the best cure was to make strong effort to live a healthy, joyful and happy life. So he come to know that these witches are not happy that if the human is lead his life with a joyness. So again he started to give a big effort where the ancient lifestyle come to us, to eat the good vegetables, fruits, having a good life, playing, running. So everything that to be again recaptured or regain in our lives. When a person become healthy, the witches had to leave that body as soon as they could, riding of a sneeze. So sneezing means whatever you do, right? So that sneezing, the witches should leave that person or that body when a person or a human being or a child become a healthy. The last paragraph. From then on, the best remedy was neither pills nor injections, but just a little bit of effort to eat some fruits and vegetables and to do some exercise. Whoever come to see Dr. Fit and Healthy and took his advice ended up totally well, being cured of wasting life disease. So this Dr. Fit and Healthy don't give prescriptions by writing the tablets or giving injections. No, he started to advise all the people to eat fruits, to eat the vegetables. Don't take or don't eat these junk foods. Start walking, start playing out. He given such a advice which give a new way or new vision towards the leading of life. This the furious witches who thought to end the disease of wasting life, or who invented this wasting of life, that come to an end by the advice of Dr. Fit and Healthy. So this is about your lesson. You could just imagine that here in healthy life, what happens is the ancient people started, or they were living the life of joy and having good moods. They were very much energetic, they were very much active. Later on, what happens, the witches become furious by seeing that good life of the human beings, and they wanted to give, or they wanted to invent a potion where the humans must end their life or waste their life. At that time, all the witches come together and they started to utter some of their things. At that time, a witches made a mistake. The big explosion happened over there. All the witches converted into a tiny creatures. But at that time, what happens, in a small bottle, all the germs collected, and a boy swallowed it completely, drank it completely. At that time, the likes and dislikes of the boy started to change. So he don't want to lead a good life, or don't want to eat fruits and vegetables, and the witches became successful in their visions or in their mission. The germs, whatever in the body of that boy, started to jump from one person to another and started to infectuate all the human beings. At that time, this Dr. Fit and Healthy studied in his microphone about these germs are not happy about the humans who are living the joyful life. So Dr. Fit and Healthy advised all the human beings to get back to their life of ancient people by eating good food, fruits, vegetables, and doing exercise, walking, running every day. So he did not describe any tablets or injections. He advised and he helped all the human beings come back to the very precious life of joyness.